At Neal Wolf, colour is more than just pigment. It's about confidence, creativity and self-expression. That's exactly what brings us to REBOOST Plus. REBOOST Plus is our vivid, direct range created for bold, statement-making results with conditioning formulas. It delivers intense, vibrant colour while nourishing the hair so you don't have to choose between impact and condition. Because it's a direct dye, REBOOST Plus is versatile. Use it straight from the tub for maximum vibrancy, mix it with conditioner to create them soft pastel tones, or layer and blend for truly bespoke results. No developer, no damage, just pure colour payoff. It leaves the hair feeling soft, glossy and healthy, making it the perfect for pre-lightened hair, creative work, refresh services or colour top-ups between appointments. In this video, I'll show you how REBOOST Plus performs, how to use it creatively and why it's becoming a go-to product for stylists who want bold colour with beautiful condition. If you're ready to push boundaries and deliver colour that truly stands out, let's take a closer look at Neal Wolf REBOOST Plus. Now let's explore what makes REBOOST Plus special and why it's so versatile for creative colour work. As a direct dye, REBOOST Plus requires no developer, meaning no lift, no damage, just pure pigment deposited onto the hair. It's PPD, PTD, ammonia and MEA-free and enriched with plant proteins for strength and Panthenol for hydration and shine. This ensures your client's hair not only looks incredible but feels soft, healthy and nourished. REBOOST Plus is perfect for creative colour work, bold statements and colour refresh or correction. Pre-lightened for maximum vibrancy, the lighter and cleaner the base, the brighter the results. Apply to wet or dry hair. For more intense results, dry hair is recommended. Always rinse direct dyes with cool water. Processing time, allow 5 to 20 minutes, depending on the desired intensity. Longer processing equals stronger pigment deposits. Application. Wear gloves and work section by section to ensure full saturation. Use straight from the tub for bold tones or mix with conditioner to soften into pastels. The more conditioner, the softer the results. The REBOOST Plus range includes 8 fully intermixable colours, perfect for bespoke client tones or retail and at-home top-ups using our Hydrate mask. Yellow. Bright, bold, primary yellow adds warmth and brightness, great for neon or sunshine tones. Did you know you can mix with magenta or pink for oranges and corals? Pink, vibrant, playful and versatile. Perfect for creative blends, money pieces or pastel tones. Correct unwanted green tones by blending with pink. Magenta, deep, rich, high impact tones, bold statement colour with excellent longevity. Top tip, mix magenta with purple for a deeper jewel tone. Purple, cool, rich, dimensional violet, lilac, lavender. Neutralises warmth or creates wearable fashion tones. Blend purple with pink for warmth or blue for cooler depth. Blue. Cool, bold, long-lasting, works best on the palest, cleanest bases. Educator tip, neutralise yellow first to avoid green undertones. Teal, oceanic, fashion-forward blue-green blend. Creates multi-dimensional tones, ideal for bold, standout results on pale blonde. Green, edgy, earthy, alternative tones. Mixable or pastelised for softer results. Adds yellow for spring-like green. Black, deep, dramatic, high fashion black. Excellent for shadow roots, vivid blends or deep enhancement. REBOOST Plus Black is a true black, not blue, violet or green based. For pastel tones, mix with Neal Wolf Daily Conditioner. Testing ratios first on a towel or cotton wool. REBOOST Plus is a high-performance vivid direct dye designed to refresh, intensify and customise colour with ease. Created for colourists seeking maximum vibrancy with minimal effort, REBOOST Plus delivers bold, long-lasting tones while maintaining hair condition and shine. It's ready to use, ammonia-free and allows endless creativity. From subtle boosts or striking fashion shades, use alone for full impact, intermixed for bespoke colours or blend with conditioners and masks to soften intensity and extend colour life. REBOOST Plus is all about having fun, expressing creativity and helping clients step into a world of vivid colour.